I think working as a gay man in architecture is something that I never really thought was going to define the work that I wanted to do or the work that I thought we needed to do. And so I sort of approach everything like, okay, yes, this is my identity and it doesn't really matter. My identity as a gay practicing architect was something that it just felt like it was in the background. And I've learned by being in different rooms that those voices are there. And I never thought it was going to be me, or I never thought it was going to be the people that I've come to surround myself with that would have to step up and be those voices. And so now when we're in a room and I recognize that there's maybe not anybody that's part of the LGBTQIA+ community, I am the person that is sort of looked to, or because I have this position and platform, that I can speak to some of those issues in a way that other people might not be able to. And so trying to think about where we can insert ourselves into those conversations and where we can make sure that we're advocating for others even when they're not present, it becomes really important, I think, in the day-to-day work and also in the volunteering that we do.